Mabuhay ug madayaw, I am Julie Arcibala and nasa internet radio pa rin po tayo na topic. But this time, we're going to talk about how to create your web radio station, a mini guide part 1. No? We can all agree no, na it is easier than ever ngayon no, to create our own internet radio station and stream your music, thoughts, or discussions live over the web. No? Pero noon, no, kung gusto mo magpatayo talaga or bumuo no ng isang radio stations, you would have faced either buying incredible equipments, no? Kailangan mag-purchase ka ng mga ganitong equipments kasi nga it is very important just to make sure na maganda yung output ng inyong radio show or ng inyong programa, no? Or hindi ka makakapag-play ng music without securing a license. And of course, magbabayad ka just to make sure no nakapag-acquire ka ng music license. Or magkakaroon ng continuous threat of having the authorities shut your pirate radio station down kasi nga yung pagbili ng equipments, yung pagkakaroon ng music license, hindi lang po doon titigil yung gastos. Iba rin po yung gagastusin natin sa pag-acquire ng mga legal documents, no, yung pag-acquire ng space, no, yung spasyo para paglagyan noong radio station natin, no. Yan po sila, no, sa lote, no, basta po sa mga legal documents, no, mas magasto kasi nga we have to make sure or you have to make sure that you are operating legally, no, or seizing, no, your music collection for the bargain. But of course, ngayon, halos hindi na po yan kailangan ikabahala because that no longer needs to be the case nowadays. Kasi nga, there are plentiful opportunities to reach out a global audience or no to share your thoughts, no, to create or having to have a discussions, no, or to play your music, no, and that's only because of the online or yung pagkakaroon ng online radio. Ano-ano nga ba yung benefits, no, or yung advantage ng pagkakaroon ng online radio? There are few, no, I mean marami pong advantages or mga benefits ng pagkakaroon ng online radio, but I'll only discuss two, no. One of which is you can reach audiences anywhere no on the planet. As long as meron po silang access ng internet, they can visit, they can listen no to your discussion, to your talk show, and browse to your music list anywhere, anytime, as long as they can access the internet. Number two, you have now the freedom to decide whether you will create a talk-only station. Kung gusto mong discussion lang, no, walang halong music, talking with a professional person or yung kaibigan mo na mas expert sa ganito, mas expert sa ganyan, kailangan mo ng opinion nila, just yan lang, no? Talk only station or music only, no? Wala masyadong blah blah blah, just listening to music, no? Yun lang ang gusto mo. So yun po yung kagandahan ng online radio station. Kasi nga ikaw yung magdedesisyon no kung anong uri ng um, online radio station ang gusto mong buuin or gagawin. But of course, no, these are only few no of the advantages. These are advantages or yung benefits no na makukuha natin in creating or having a radio I mean online radio stations. Pero ang tanong, no, meron ka ng content, meron ka ng structure sa program mo, alam mo na kung sinong tao ang i-interviewin mo or ang kakausapin mo, you already have this list of music that you're going to play in your radio stations. Pero paano mo, no, ipapalabas ang ganitong content? How will you get that content out of your home and streaming across the internet? And that's only possible because of the online radio networks. These services allow you to play copyrighted music without worrying, no, or incurring extra fees within your online radio station. So in this first part of the mini guide, I will introduce to you to the several online desktop applications or websites, no, that will set you on your way to broadcasting from your bedroom or office, no. Dahil sa mga websites na ito or applications na ito, you can broadcast music or even having a talk show without worrying about royalties to be paid or having to license commercial tracks from the recording industry majors. And one in our list is the Live 365 dot or .com, no, the live365.com. So it is a network of over 10,000 online radio stations which are free to listen to, no. Broadcasters, magbabayad lang po buwan-buwan for the hosting of their MP3 files and use of the Live 365 infrastructure. So you can access the features, no, of that website or of that applications, no, as long as you will obtain a subscription or the pro account, no. Ano-ano naman yung mga benefits, no, ng Live 365. Meron po siyang live streaming capability, may pre-recorded streaming capability, meron din po siyang player, no, na naka-embed na doon mismo sa website, but it is only available for the pro accounts, no. May directory na din po ng mga online radio stations, may lisensya to for playing music, no. Monetization, yes, because there is a reward system, no? Oh, reward system. Parang nasa hearing lang tayo, no? Reward system or the reward program gives broadcasters a portion, no, of revenues made from users signing up to a preferred membership program. So, yung mga professional accounts naman can add advertising to their ad-free broadcast and sa inyo lahat mapupunta yung revenues. So that's Live 365, no? So you can visit live365.com. Next on our list is the Mercora, no? Mercora is an interesting take on online radio broadcasting given that DJs and all users can tune into the music from one another's hard drives by means of peer-to-peer technology. So meaning parang Google Drive lang, no? You can access my files as long as I will give you the access, no? Bibigyan kita ng access para i-open ang file ko, then you can open whatever files present, no, in that folder or in that Google Drive, no. At any given time, 5 files from users' MP3 collection are made available for all to listen to, and would-be DJs can create playlists for others users to listen to. So that's Mercora, no? Para po more of sharing ng music list, no? Kung ano yung pinapakinggan niya, pwede mo rin mapakinggan, no? So this is not great solution naman, no, para doon sa mga gustong magkaroon ng talk show or yes, magkaroon po ng talk show because this is simply sharing of music over the internet with other listeners. So, kung gusto mo ng ganong broadcasting, no, yung sinasabi nating music only station, maybe Mercora, no, you can consider Mercora. So, for live streaming capability, yes po, meron si Mercora, pero MP3 lang po ang kanyang pwedeng i-play, no, or i-live stream. Pre-recorded streaming capability, pwede din po, no, pero wala po siyang player doon sa kanyang website. Unlike noong nauna na si Live 365, meron po siyang player. May directory naman po ng online radio stations, may music license, monetization, wala, no? And Mercora is free to use. So that's Mercora. No? The third one is talk show or talk show. No? Talk show lets you create your own talk show using telephone or VoIP client and invite listeners to join you with the ability to control and moderate when your listeners speak on the show and a live text chat accompanying the discussion. You have everything you need to talk radio to deliver a talk radio shows from the comfort of your front room. Ang gandahan lang po kay talk show, para rin po siyang meron na po siyang automatic captioning. Okay? So may text, So guided no yung mga listeners. But of course, this can only be used no using your telephone or VoIP client. Right. So ano naman po ang meron sa talk show? Meron po siyang live streaming capability, may pre-recorded streaming capability, wala po siyang player sa kanyang website, meron po siyang directory of online radio stations. Problema lang, wala din po siyang music licensing. Pero magkakaroon ng pera because you can be monetized. Kasi as a host in the talk show, hosting program, you can make money from your talk show episodes. And currently, talk show is free to use. There are, I'm sure, no, I'm pretty sure, these are old streaming online radio networks. Marami pa pong iba, no? I will give the list no doon sa description. You can check that one, and you can visit also the different online radio networks. Yan po para mas marami tayong pagpipilian no when planning no in creating an online radio stations or making our own radio stations. So yun po yun, no? So that is the part one of our how to create your web radio station report. Thank you for listening and see bisitahin niyo po yung part 2 for more.